This video is about National Mango Day. First, let us know about the history of mangoes. The mangoes are cultivated for over 5,000 years. Mangoes were first developed in South Asia, India, before they traveled to Southeast Asia. East Africa started to cultivate mangoes in the 10th century AD. The scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. The scientific word mangifera was derived from the Sanskrit word manjari, meaning flowers growing in small clusters. Mangoes have taken place in Indian history as well as in the poetry of great Indian legends. Mangoes are grown widely in frost-free tropical climates, which makes India more suitable for cultivation. In India, mangoes are commonly harvested during the months March to May. The popular paisley motif is said to be inspired by the shape of the mango. How to celebrate the National Mango Day? Every year, July 22 is dedicated to National Mango Day. There is no history of announcing National Mango Day. The best way to observe National Mango Day is by eating mangoes. Celebrate the day by having those delicious mangoes. So buy a variety of mangoes and enjoy them to your fullest. Happy National Mango Day and happy eating of mangoes. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye. Have a good day.